runs. Still bumpy. But hey. So I'm here picking up right now with Muhammad. It is done. Trans is in. If I can right now, I'm just gonna raise the front and I'm gonna definitely go ahead and change out what I've been saying. The pump, the pulley, the fan. I'll do the spark plugs later. She's got a fresh oil change. She's good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead.
So status update, raised it up about 1.25 inches on here. When we started out, we were down here at this line right here. So quite a bit of travel and we moved it up. We're gonna do a test fit to see how it looks right now.
It's a moment of truth. Before having the wheel hanging, it was still tucked in there. It was still tucked, so to see a wheel gap is crazy.
This car's never seen a wheel gap.
This car's had a wheel gap like once.
Once in its life, and it was on a rack, jacked up. We'll just do 2 for now, a test fit, just to see what's going on with it. Wow.
That's a wheel gap. That's a wheel gap.
With 3 fingers to the rim on this side. There is no finger to the rim on this side. So yeah,
I like it.
that's about what we're looking at. You can see the difference here.
Yeah, this is so sunken.
Yeah, the other side we got about 3 fingers to the wheel. Here we're about a finger to the rim. Sorry. So that's up to you, sir. What you want to do?
I want to. That's it.
You want it?
Yeah. I think that's good.
I don't recognize this car anymore.
That's how it should be. It looks so much better. That's the craziest part. Oh, this is surreal right now. I almost feel wrong for doing this. Should we drop it a little bit?
Nah, once you get out, it's going to settle a little more too.
It's so, bro, the wheel gap looks so good to me. I hate that it was sunken like that because, you know, it was never supposed to be set in like that without some form of spacer and tire stretch. I could start on the spark plugs. Should start on the spark plugs. Okay, side 2 done. Now it's time for the real drop. It was one thing to drop it and have one side kind of lopsided, but now we gotta see if it's gonna be even, remotely even. wonder if we went too high.
I haven't let the sun all the way down yet.
Oh, bro, stop playing with me.
Yeah. 3 here.
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
Alright, we're gonna take it around the block once and see what happens when it settles out. The switch is gonna go down a little bit, obviously. And then that'll be a tell and tale.
Hey, I'm game. That's it right there. That looks good too.
Where it sits now, it's definitely gonna ride smoother, so you can actually drive it now.
Yeah.
Even though it's still low boy status, but
It's low, but it's
functional, halfway functional.
it is. The back tucks. Any dip in the road, it tucks fully.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Test drive it, see what you think.